Community comment.
A recent station editorial calling for auto insurance reform prompted these comments. Jeanette Henry writes, "Auto insurance rates aren't just a Detroit problem, they are a Michigan problem. These outrageous rates are a disgrace to everyone living in this state." Paul Arrington sent us this message. "We've heard the politicians promise auto insurance reform before, but then the powerful hospital and insurance lobbyists go to work on them and nothing ever gets done. Try listening to the policy owners this time. We need relief." But we also received this message on behalf of the Michigan Association of Justice. It reads, "The bill being pushed by Mayor Mike Duggan cuts rates but will limit benefits. $250,000 might last a couple weeks in some cases." Our editorial about the new Little Caesars Arena caused Ingrid Sinelli to tweet, "I love our new arena and the direction Detroit is headed." David Hodgman said, "Once the 50-block district Detroit is complete, we'll be the most celebrated city in America." And finally, this social media comment from a Channel 7 viewer after the terrible Las Vegas shooting. "Here's an email idea. Work together on gun control. It's time to emulate Australia and bring these mass shootings to an end." Well, that's it for now. Thanks for writing and for watching. I'm Chuck Stokes.
We welcome your response to this community comment.